Assalamu alaikum. Today, I'm going to tell you a story of an elephant and an ant, part 1.
Scene 1. The riverbank. A giant elephant splashes in a wide river, enjoying the cool water. Nearby, a tiny ant struggles to drink without being swept away. The elephant laughs loudly, not noticing the ant. Scene 2. The tease. The elephant playfully sprays water, and some splashes land on the ant. The ant nearly drowns but manages to crawl back to shore. The elephant chuckles. What can a creature so small ever do? The ant, catching its breath, frowns but says nothing. All right, scene 3, trouble in the forest. Later, the elephant wanders into the forest. Suddenly, he steps into a hunter's trap. A rope snare tightens around his leg, pinning him to a tree. He trumpets in panic, but the rope won't break. Scene 4, the ant's choice. From the bushes, the ant appears, watching the elephant struggle. The elephant pleads, "Help me, someone please." The ant pauses.